Hey there, hustlers. Today we're talking about the top 5 online side hustles of 2023 that can help you make extra money each month. Best part is, most of these methods require little to no prior experience or skills to get started with. Whether you're looking to save up for the future, pay off student loans, or explore a side hustle that could turn into a business, this list of ideas is meant to guide you on your journey. Number 5, remote work and freelance opportunities. Remote work has become increasingly prevalent. Individuals can find online jobs in various fields such as customer service, virtual assistant, programming, site tester, social media manager, online consulting, and many more. Job boards like Remote OK and websites like LinkedIn often list remote job opportunities. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer continue to connect freelancers with clients seeking various services, including writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, and more. Number 4, online courses and digital products. In today's digital world, doing online courses and making digital products can be a cool way to earn some extra money on the side. It's like having a part-time job, but you get to decide when and where you work. Online courses are like classes on the internet where you can teach others what you know best. You can use websites like Udemy or Coursera to share your skills with people all around the world. Creating digital products like ebooks or cool tools is another way to make money online. Before we move on, make sure you like the video and leave a comment. Number 3, start a YouTube channel. Are you aware that YouTube stands as the most frequently visited website globally? Consequently, it comes as no shock that substantial earnings can be generated on this platform. So if you're creative or like to be on camera, your own YouTube channel presents a promising avenue to supplement your income. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Blogging, social media, and YouTube are common channels for affiliate marketers. And number 1, e-commerce. Selling products online through platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy remains a popular way to make money. This could involve dropshipping, creating handmade goods, or even selling digital products like ebooks or courses. Establishing an online store demands considerable effort, but with dedication, it can evolve into a highly profitable supplementary source of income. It has the potential to generate sufficient extra earnings, possibly enabling you to abandon your traditional employment. The fundamental concept is fairly simple and follows these steps. Identify a product with substantial demand. Purchase the product in large quantities from wholesalers at discounted rates. Advertise and sell it online at a retail price with a markup. Reap the financial rewards. Naturally, there's more to it than just that. But that's the general idea. A link to all the websites mentioned in this video will be in the description. And there you have it, folks. The top online side hustles of 2023 that can help you boost your income and achieve financial freedom. I hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring. But before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We're constantly bringing you the latest trends, tips, and strategies to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of online side hustles. Until next time, hustle on.